how to turn on or turn off notifications for an app on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Notifications. After that, we scroll down and in the notification style section, tap on an app that you want to customize the notifications. So for example, FaceTime, I can tap on that. And at the top, tap on the Allow Notifications. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on notifications for that app. Now, alternatively, you can also go back to your settings, then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. In here, in the list of apps, you can tap on an app. So I'm going to open up FaceTime and then tap on Notifications, and that will bring you to the same menu. So in here, you can tap on Allow Notifications to turn it on or off. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.